This is honestly the secret to getting insanely strong, and it's probably not what you think. And most people miss this precisely because they want results, and in doing so hold themselves back from ever working anywhere near hard enough to get them. Think of strength training like sprinting. If you want it to be as effective as possible, you want to be going as heavy as possible for only as long as you can sustain that maximum effort. If you're trying to sprint at the fastest speed you can, we intuitively know that there's a limit to how far you can go. And if you're trying to sprint for 800 meters, you're just not going to be able to put in that level of effort that you could over 100. And strength training is exactly the same. If you really want to get the most out of it, you very likely need to do less than you're currently trying to do, but do it at a much, much higher intensity. If you're sprinting as fast as possible, you know if you're going as fast as possible. And strength training should be the same. You should be physically unable to move the resistance you're working against at all times, and then dialing back only enough to just be able to succeed. When you're lowering, you should be actually failing because you're still trying to push up and only being forced down because it's too heavy to do that. And so learning how to adjust the difficulty of your bodyweight training can allow you to keep the threshold there. But once you do that, realize that trying to do a lot of work is going to make it impossible for you to actually stay at that maximum level of intensity. And if you try and stretch yourself over more than that sprint distance, which for us is about 20 minutes a week of actual work time across 6 different movements, then it means you're very likely going to either burn out, get injured, or just never train with enough intensity to progress as you otherwise could. Getting stronger is a series of very short, very intense sprints. It doesn't need to take more than 40 minutes a week to get all of that done. Don't let trying to do lots stop you from doing the tiny amount of really intense work that is all you need to actually progress.